I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the club in a padded vise and protecting the graphite with high-temp tape and a heat-resistant wrap. This prevents hot spots and crushing. Once done, apply a heat gun set around 200–250 degrees F to the hosel for 3 to 5 minutes to soften epoxy. Make sure to heat evenly while turning the club slowly. Then, use a strap wrench, gripping the head and twisting with steady torque, while you support the shaft to pry the iron free without bending or snapping the graphite. Once the head doesn't budge, gradually increase heat and keep rotating the head to distribute heat and prevent hot spots. Repeated cycles often loosen the bond. Then apply a penetrating solvent at the hosel seam and allow 10 to 15 minutes for it to work into the epoxy. Make sure to reheat afterward and retry twisting. If a ferrule or stubborn epoxy remains, carefully use a Dremel with light pressure to score only the ferrule. Avoid contacting the graphite. Proceed slowly and reassess, rather than forcing. You finish by removing residual epoxy with a brass brush and suitable solvent, then sand lightly to prepare the shaft for a new head. This creates a clean bonding surface. Once cleaned, inspect the shaft meticulously for delamination, cracks, or soft spots. A damaged graphite shaft must not be reused. If the head still won't release or you detect shaft damage, stop immediately. Don't apply more heat or force. Instead, consult a club repair professional or use a controlled chemical epoxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.